Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video, I thought I would show you guys the best purchases I've made on Amazon. So it's like really weird actually because I am obsessed with Amazon because it's just so easy. You can find a bunch of different stuff and like it'll be delivered if you have Prime like in 1 or 2 days. It's so cool. And a bunch of these things are tech stuff, but there's some that I just got like journaling and like calligraphy stuff. So I'm really excited to show you guys just honestly some of the really cool things that I've gotten on Amazon recently. So I hope you guys are excited for this video. Definitely subscribe if you're new to my channel. I've been posting like crazy. It's crazy. So how many times can I say crazy? A lot. So definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if you are not getting notified when my videos go up, definitely click the bell notification down below because I don't know, YouTube sometimes doesn't push my videos to you guys, which kind of sucks. So if you guys want to be the first ones to watch my videos, then definitely click the bell notification down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. And with that being said, we can just jump into this video. First off, I'm gonna go with tech stuff just because they're like literally right in front of me. So the first thing is this tripod. This tripod is cool. So basically, if you guys saw my what I eat in a day video, I was actually using this tripod and also my normal tripod, the one I'm filming on right now, to actually like vlog and like hold my camera. And it was really great because you guys could see like the background, like it was like wide enough so you guys can see it as it wasn't too super close to my face, which is really cool. So it's just a really great thing. You can set it down. It's really cool. You could just like literally just do that. You guys can't see it, but like if this was something like flat, I could actually stand. It's really cool and it's just awesome. And also like the legs are super soft. It's easy to just like hold on to it, so it's awesome. I'll actually list the prices somewhere here because I'll probably be able to check it out. So this tripod is super cool. It's the brand Sellermer and I think this is $9.99, $10. So really good if you want to take pictures or if you are wanting to be a vlogger. That's really cool. Another thing is this hard drive. This was a little more expensive than some of the things that I have here just because it's just a hard drive. It's one of those things that are just really expensive. This one is the brand Maxone. I think it was between $35 to $40 if I'm kind of leaning, if I'm like being correct. It's just like an estimate, but this is actually 500 gigabytes. I know a lot of YouTubers use like the 1 terabyte one and that's really expensive. I think it was like $50 to $60, and I just wanted to try out using a hard drive just because my laptop, that's where I basically do all of my editing and stuff, so it doesn't have a lot of obviously just like space. So having a hard drive is really good if you're a YouTuber or if you take a lot of pictures. It's really great to save all of your stuff on here. I have everything on here. I don't really have anything on my laptop, so if I were to lose this or leave it somewhere, it would make me so sad because this has literally everything. So yeah, it's a good thing and a bad thing, but yeah, if you are into photography or a YouTuber of any sort, then definitely get you a hard drive. This is a lightning cable. This is really cool because I have two like Apple products. So I have my iPads here. That's one of them. And what's really cool about these is because I use both of them a lot, it's really essential for me to have just like a really nice cable that won't break on you and will actually charge fast. This one was, I think it said for a 1-pack was like $5.99, but I honestly got another one. I did not buy another one. I double checked on the website and it says it was supposed to be only a 1-pack, so I guess I just put another one in, which is nice. But I didn't want to open it just because, you know, I just want to test this out. I just have like the piece that goes with it for like charging it in the wall, but this is a super fast charger and it's really nice because you can kind of like bend it and it won't like break. So it's really cool. Next thing is a pop socket. It's on my phone here. So I love pop sockets. I think they're such a cool invention and so unique, and I found some online that were super cheap. This was probably like $10 and it was awesome. So yeah, it's just like really cool. You can literally just like do that. You can take selfies. It's sometimes easier having a bigger phone to like use a pop socket. I don't have like a Plus or anything like that, or like a bigger phone, so it's just easy. I don't know, I just find it really cool. And sometimes actually a really cool hack, you can actually like wrap your headphones around this and it's like super easy and cool. So definitely recommend pop sockets. They're super inexpensive and they're so easy to put on. So go get you a pop socket. The next thing are Bluetooth earbuds. I actually have them in this little case. They're the Sunpak Bluetooth earbuds. They're so awesome. I honestly use them every single day just because I am always doing a bunch of things, running around, doing a bunch of things. Like I said, I use them to work out. I like to use these like when I was setting up to film today. Like sometimes I can't do silence, so sometimes I just like to listen to music or watch YouTube videos and pop them in my ear, and I kind of like, that's the best way I can like just like get a lot of stuff done, is being able to just listen to music or have something in the background that I can listen to while I'm doing other things. Next thing are these iPad cases. These are super cool. So this one's for my iPad mini. I don't know what generation this is. I think it might be the iPad mini 2, not sure, but I've had it for a while, so it's really cool just because of like this really nice leather case. It was only like $10, and you can do this, you can just like stand it up, and it's super cool. So definitely recommend you guys get this if you want to protect your iPad. And I really like that it has like the clear backing, so I really like that. And it's a brand, what is this brand? Moco, with a K. And then I also got one for my actual iPad. You guys have seen this in videos, like in my what's in my backpack video. I actually used it for school, and they told us we could keep them, so I have them here. So I needed a new actual like iPad case for it. So I got this one. I think the brand is Finite. Yeah, it's really cool because it has this black, and also my iPad is black, so it's just like really cool. It's rose gold, and it's really nice also because you can stand it up and you can do that, and I can like watch videos on here or anything like that. It's a really cool thing, so I'll probably be bringing both of these to college. So yeah. I mentioned, now I'm going to move on to just other things that I got recently. So this is colored pens. I actually got this because I kind of got into bullet journaling. As of lately, I haven't really been into it just because I feel like it's summer and I don't really have a lot of things going on, so I don't need to like plan extensively for my bullet journal. But I got this just because I kind of wanted to get into it, so I really like them. I'm definitely going to be using them like a lot just because they have like a bunch of different colors I can plan with them, and they're really cool and they're super fine, which I also really like. And then my bullet journal, I think it was like $7 to $9, and I use these a lot. This is actually the cheaper one for North Books because I think it was like 90 pages. They have one for like 130 or something, 140, which is the bigger one, but I just kind of wanted to start getting into it. I wasn't sure if I would commit to it, so I didn't want to get a bunch of pages, but I'm literally almost halfway through with this, so I'm really excited. Lately I've been like just writing down like a list of videos that I want to do, so I have like literally a bunch of video ideas here, pretty much up until like January, which is crazy because we're pretty much like halfway through the year and I already have stuff planned. But I just like being organized, so got this. I think, like I said, $79. And then last thing is this book. This is The Hate U Give. I've been currently reading it. I really want to finish it until before the movie comes out because I really want to watch it just because it's so good so far. But this book is so good, and I've been kind of just getting through it, and it's so good, guys. I definitely recommend it. Honestly, I think it was like $10 for this hardcover, which is crazy because I feel like it normally would be $20. I don't know if I got a used one. I don't think so, because when it came to me, it looked pretty new, so I could be wrong, but that was a really cool steal, and I just love the book, and I can't wait to like finish it and like watch the movie. So those are all the things that I got recently from Amazon, or just the best purchases I've made, and I'm actually super excited because I have another package here from Amazon, and I'm gonna give you like a little sneak peek. So I'm gonna grab the box without like, you know, making it like drop. But this box is actually filled with some of my purchases that I literally got today for my dorm. I'm going to be doing a video showing you guys what's in these boxes. Probably the beginning of August. I'll show you guys like some of the essentials that I bought from Amazon. I haven't gotten bedding yet or anything, but probably up until this video, probably when this video goes up, I'll probably get some more items. But I'll be doing a video unboxing, not really unboxing this, but just like showing you guys what I got. for my dorm. So I'm gonna put that down because my arm is hurting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. I hope you guys are just loving all the uploads and the content you've been seeing from me. Get excited for some college videos in the next couple of weeks. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have an awesome day.